Hello students, welcome to class 8 maths. Let's see exercise 3.9 linear graph. A line graph for the linear equation is called a linear graph. You know what is meant by linear equation? Linear equation means equation which has only one variable with the highest power. One is called linear equation. So let's move to exercise sums. Fill in the blanks. Y is equal to px where p belongs to z always passes through the dash. When we substitute the x is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to p into 0 is equal to 0. Therefore x is also 0 and y is also 0. So 0, 0 is the solution, hence is passed through the origin. The intersecting point of the line x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 4 is dash. So always first you should write x value 4 and y value minus 4. First x value and then y value you should write. Then third fill up, scale for the given graph. On the x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to dash units. So if you see the graph, x-axis is a horizontal line 3, 6, 9. That means the difference between the 3 and 6 is 3. Therefore, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 3 units. And if you take the vertical line, y-axis they given 25, 50, 75. The difference between the 50 and 25 is 25. Therefore, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 25 units. The points 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3 lie on a straight line. Yes, it's true. If you plot the points, you will get a straight line. Y is equal to minus 9x not passes through the origin. So your question is y is equal to minus 9x. If you substitute the x value is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to minus 9 into 0 is equal to 0. That means the point is 0, 0 which passes through the origin. But here they given not passes through the origin. That means false. This third question. Will a line pass through 2, 2 if it intersect the axis at 2, 0 and 0, 2? So they ask you to find after plotting the point 2, 0 and 0, 2, will the 2, 2 is intersect this point. So first plot the point. Your first one is 2, 0. Always first number you have to see on the horizontal line, that is your x-axis. So 2 and 0 is on the y-axis. So 0 we can't able to move. So the first point is 2, 0. And next one is 0, 2. So the first number on the horizontal line you have to see and then 0, 2 on the vertical line. So 2 is here. Therefore 0, 2. If you join this line, 2, 2 is not intersect this points. Because if you see here 2, 2 is lies here. So it does not intersect this points. And next fourth one, a line passes through 4, minus 2 and intersect the y-axis at 0, 2. Find a point on the line in the second quadrant. So they ask you to find the points on the line in the second quadrant. So your first point is 4, minus 2. So first one you have to plot on the x-axis and then minus 2 see on the y-axis. So it's like here 4, minus 2 and intersect the y-axis at 0, 2. So 0 here and 2. Therefore 0, comma 2. First number you have to see on the x-axis. Second number on the y-axis. So join this line and extend the line to the second quadrant. Second quadrant means this side. So if you extend the line, you will get the points. Ask you to find the points on the second quadrant. Find a point on a line in the second quadrant. So if you extend this line, you can get a point that is -1 and 3. So one point is -1, 3 and another point is -2, 4. So the points are -1, 3 and -2, 4. Fifth question, if the points P is equal to 5, 3, Q minus 3, 3, R minus 3, -4 and S form a rectangle, then find the coordinate of X. They didn't give the value of X. We have to find it out and they said that it form a rectangle. So plot the point on the graph. So first one is P is equal to 5, 3. So first number you always see on the x-axis 5 and the second number on the y-axis. So if you move here the 5, 3. And next one is -3, 3. So -3 on the x-axis and y-axis. The next number you have to see on the y-axis, that is here the 3 lies here. Therefore -3, 3 is equal lies here. And next one -3, 4. So first number always see on the x-axis and -4. -3 and -4. So if you see the next number on the y-axis, -4 lies here. Therefore, then if you join this line, you will get the rectangle. Therefore, your S value is first number you have to see on the x-axis, that is 5, and the next number on the y-axis -4. Therefore, the S coordinate is 5, -4. Next, sixth question, do as homework. The remaining we'll see on the next class.